In this video, we will show you how to creating website with Canva. Now, using Canva, you can creating a website like easy as PowerPoint. Okay, you can see here. This is the example of the website. There is menu on the website. You can creating any content. Okay, you can see there, and you can embed any page like this is Spotify. You can playing music or another, and this is the second options. We creating the header with ourselves, and this is the header creating by the Canva automatically, and this is the header creating by ourselves here. Okay, you can see here, you can go to the another page, and you can also creating contact us page. Okay, I'm using jot form here. And to creating a website, just open Canva and make sure you are logged in using your account. Okay, I will close this. And to creating a website with the coding, just click this. Okay, select website here, and I will uh, give a tutorial in very basic, like creating menu, how to creating a page or the content. Okay, for example here, we will try to creating the header with ourselves. Okay, for example, we have a menu. Okay, I will add a section here. Okay, you can add any section on there. This is become menu, this is the content, and this is the footer. Just you can resize by drag and drop like this. Okay, I will change the color of the menu, for example, like this. Okay, and the footer also we are have the same. Okay, now let's creating a menu in the header, and we will show you how to add menu automatically also here. Select the text. I will add text box here. You can resize your text box. For example, this is become home. Okay, home, like website usually we creating home menu. For example, this is a text box again. This is, for example, page 2. You can creating the second menu with same format by copying this. Okay, you can control C or duplicate and control V like this. This is to make the same format. I will change this to pick to like this, and give this more look like this. And for the 3, I will duplicate this and just make here contact us, for example. Okay, I will go to the menu look like this. Okay, if the position uh, looks better like this, we can go to the footer. The footer, I will just add the text copyright, for example 2025 like this, and change the color of the font, for example white like this. Okay, now we have header and footer, and also we have the content here. Okay, you can actually add the section if you want again, and give the footer in the below. but this is just for example. Okay, I will make this button. This is home page. This is home. Okay, for home page, I will make a content with pictures and the text. So we have rich content here. For example, I will add this. I will drag and drop. Okay, we'll delete this. Okay, I will make or creating a text. For example, this is your paragraph. You can create the alignment of your paragraph here. Okay, for example, the content of the page 1 is done. Now, how to creating the pic 2? To creating the pic 2 and contact us, you can see them. For example, you can just add the page here. But because we already have this template, okay, you can see we already have this template. Now we need to using this template in the second page. So the header and the footer is remain here. Okay, but before do that, we need to make the home page as link. Okay, so we don't configure again later when we copy the page. Just select link here and revert to pick one or the home page. Okay, and click done. Now we can duplicate this page, okay, by clicking this three dot button and select duplicate page. Now we have pick 2. The pick 2, we will delete all the content and remain uh, the header and the footer. Okay, now we can give another content on the page 2. For example, we have this, and this is just for example. This is for pick 2. We have a paragraph, for example. Here we have paragraph like this. You can also add heading, for example. This is the heading. This is pick 2. Just look like this, and then make the pick 2 here refer to this. Okay, and select link and select the pick 2 and click done. Also for the home page, so we can click this and select link and select for the pick 2 here. Okay, now just left one page, there is contact us, and we can duplicate again and select duplicate page. Okay, now we have the page 3. Okay, here we will delete the content of the page 2. We will show you how to embed the contact page. For example, we have jot form. Okay, for easiest way to creating a contact, I will continue using our account. Okay, now you can have or creating a contact by click create on your workspace on the jot form. Okay, for example, you can select form. Okay, just select use template for easiest way. For example, you can type contact us. In the jot form, you can select many form here, for example. You can using this. This is too bigger. Oh, this is very simple. Just click use template, and you can edit the header. Contact us. Okay. You can click settings. After that, there is any configuration that you can change, like the email, how this form respond or send, okay, condition, and etc. The last step is using publish here, because we need to embed the page. We can just copy this link. Okay, you can also embed if you are using HTML code using this, but because we just using embed for the page, we just copy this. Okay, now in here you can select embed. Okay, if you don't have embed here, you can type the application and select in here embed. Okay, you can click this and you can activate and select and click add to design. Okay, now we have contact page here, and the contact page is working very uh, better rather than we using or creating the code. For example, like this. If you think it's too bigger, okay, you can make the page look like this. And the last, we can just publish the website. But before do that, don't forget to creating a link for contact us and revert to pick 3 or contact us page. Okay, it's also the same for the page 2. Select link and select this and click done. And for the home page also, select link and select for page 3. Okay, now let me show you how you can get the automatically navigation when you publish the website. You can see when you publish the website, there is option include navigation menu. Okay, just click this. Let's try. The automatically navigation will edit into your website, but because we already creating a header, actually we don't need the header automatically view website here. Okay, you can see this is the different, the page 1, page 2, and page 3. It's automatically created by Canva. You can see when we scroll down, there is a left here the menu. Okay, you can enable this or disable this, because for now we cannot edit the page 1, page 2, or page 3. Okay, so we can just disable this because we have already have this. But for now, if you want to disable, when you click publish website, you can untick include navigation menu and click publish like this. Okay, your website will have the menu just like this. Okay, this is home, this is page 2. Okay, and this is contact us, and this is working. Okay, working fine for contact us page. Okay, or you can using the page 1, page 2, page 3 navigation by Canva. In the website, this is called sticky navigation. So when you scrolling down, there is still in the top of your page. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to create a website very easy, like creating a PowerPoint using Canva. And you can have 5 websites on the free version of your Canva. And it's very easy now to creating a website. Hope this video helpful for you.